Hi, today's tutorial is going to be about the video icebreaker. This is a new tool that we have added to the resume builder. It is a great way to kind of make your resume stand out to employers. It gets their attention. There is something very unique about video. It helps someone kind of feel connected to you even though you haven't met face to face. They get a chance to see you, get a chance to see you interacting as you're talking, and see your smile. Those kind of things kind of really go a long way with an employer. We highly recommend that you take advantage of this tool. It's a great tool to help you land that dream job and that dream location. We recommend that your video be just a short video, 1 to 3 minutes, kind of highlight about yourself, your spouse, or partner if you're traveling with somebody, even your fur babies if you travel with them. You can change this up as often as you want. So if you are applying for a specific job that is requesting specific skills that you have, you can talk about those skills, or you can just give an overview about your skill set. If you're new to work camping, tell them. If you've been work camping for a while, tell them that also. It's just a great way, once again, people feel connected when they get to see a short video. So we're going to go over the process of actually adding a video to your resume. Okay, I am going to switch my screen over, and this should look familiar to you. This is the dashboard. We're going to click on the resume builder. You will see the last tab on the resume builder is the video. If you will click on that, this just gives you some general information, kind of the things that we just went over. You want to make sure that when you're doing your video to kind of make sure you're in good lighting, in a quiet spot, not a lot of distractions behind you. And let me just take this out because this is a video I already had in there, and let's just go over the process. Okay. We're going to go ahead and log into YouTube. I already have a YouTube account set up. If you do not, you're going to want to set a YouTube account up. You'll need one of those. And once you have that set up, in the upper right hand corner, you will see a little icon that looks like a little movie video camera. If you will click on that, then you want to click on this little drop down that says Upload Video, and this box will appear. If you double click in here, you will pull up your files, and I already have mine pulled up to where I have my video icebreaker. I'm going to click on that. That's going to drop down into this file name, and I'm going to open it, and is going to start the process of loading my video to YouTube. While we're waiting for that to load, you'll want to come over here to these settings, and you're going to change it from public to unlisted. That's a very important part of step. It has to be unlisted. If it is private, then you will not be able to share the link. The unlisted will keep anybody that gets on YouTube from seeing your video, but it will allow you to share your link on your resume, and that way an employer will be able to open that and view that. Okay, once you get this message across the top that says Processing Done, you want to click on this little tab that says Done, and this is going to give you the link to your icebreaker video. We're just going to copy that. We're going to go back into our resume, scroll down here, and we are going to paste that link right here into this little box. Scroll back up and make sure you click on Save All Changes. Once your video has been saved, the system is going to take you back to the home page of the resume builder. You can click back here on video, make sure that your link is still available and that it did save it, and you are all ready to go. So hope you enjoyed this. If we can help you with anything at all, please feel free to reach out to our customer service department. We are here Monday through Friday, 8 till 4:30. Thank you.